So today for 10-4, you're going to be multiplying a whole number by a mixed number. Now the way we're going to do this is by using the distributive property to multiply the whole number by each part of the mixed number. Now what do I mean by that? If we have a mixed number like 6 and 2/3, I'm going to be multiplying my number by the whole number and the fraction separately. So it'll look like this: 2 times 6 plus 2 times 2/3. So I'm multiplying 2 by my whole number 6 and my fraction 2/3. And I get 12, and 2 times 2/3 is 4/3. So 12 and 4/3 is my answer. Let's do another one a little bit slower. So I have my problem 2 times 1 and 1/4. Now using the distributive property, I'm going to set up 2 times 1 and 2 times 1/4. So first, I know 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 1/4 is 2/4. And a simpler way we could write that is 2.5. Let's do another. 4 times 2 and 4/6. So to set it up, I can do 4 times 2, my whole number, and 4 times 4/6, my mixed number. Sorry, not my mixed number, my fraction. 4 times 2, I know is 8, and 4 times 4/6 is 16/6. Now you may recall in the previous sections that when you had an improper fraction in your mixed number, you have to convert it to make it look simpler and make more sense. So we can't leave it as 8 and 16/6. But I know in 16/6, there's not one, but 2 wholes, and then 4/6 left over. Because altogether, my 2 wholes is 12/6, and my 4/6 is left over. So my 2 wholes are going to bump over to join my 8, so now I have 10 wholes, and 4/6 left over. So sometimes you might have to convert those improper fractions to get you the best answer possible. Let's do another one. 9 times 8 and 5/10. Now I know it might seem a little, I don't know, like a lot of work to write 9 times 8 out, because we could just write 72, but write out the whole thing so that you know exactly what you're doing, and your teachers can look at your work and know that you know what you're doing. Now 9 times 5/10 is going to get me 45/10. I know that 10 can go into 45 4 times, because 10 times 4 is 40. So I can take 40/10 and get 4 wholes out of that, meaning my answer will be 76, because 72 plus 4, and then the 5/10 remaining, which of course you all know can be written as 76.5 as my final answer. Think about it? Try these practice problems on your own. Pause the video and work on it, and then check your work. halves of these problems. Anyway, you got all those right? Awesome job, move on to your practice. If you need a little help, even with decomposing these improper fractions, call a teacher over and ask for some extra help, or rewatch the video.